Hi, this is Christian from FXVPS, the #1 VPS server provider for Forex traders. In this video, I will show you how to sign into your VPS using Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection. First step is, go to your Microsoft Store. Type and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop Application. After searching, install it. Once it is installed, open it. Then, click the +add sign button, and then click PCs. Check your email. Your server is now ready for your VPS credentials. Under PC name, type in your VPS IP address. After that, click the +sign button on the user account to add your VPS username and password. After filling out your VPS username and password, click Save. Your VPS server should appear on the saved PCs. You can double-click it to connect or click the 3 dots and click Start in this window. There will be a certificate pop-up showing. Just check the box. Don't ask about this certificate again. Then click Connect Anyway. Wait for a few seconds, then you should be connected to your VPS server. Move your cursor to the top and click the 3 dots if you want to minimize, maximize, or disconnect to the VPS. That's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested on using 1-hour VPS, you can try us out for 7 days for only $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24 hours live chat support, as well as email that is available anytime.